Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to show or hide the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to show or hide the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome, so very easy. Firstly, open Chrome browser. After click on three dots. After click on settings, scroll down and here option appearances. In option show bookmarks bar. So guys, if you want to show bookmark bar, so slash on position, that is. And if you want to hide disable bookmark bar, so toggle off position. And if you want to show bookmarks bar, so toggle on position, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to show or hide the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.